here at the Quail farm at Makindye Kizungu at Sozi Quail Hotel, where we are rearing these quail birds. And these quail birds need to have a very good housing, good cages, and there are specifications because you just don't throw them there. But at the same time, we do feed them. Now feeding in any farmer, what you give to the birds or to the cows is very, very important. And with these quails, we buy commercial feed, which is very expensive. But here at Makindye, at our farm, we do subsidize with some protein, which help us to cut down the cost price of feed. And one of them is Azolla. Azolla is an aquatic plant which gives a lot of protein. If you need to rear goats, cows, pigs, chicken, and quails, this is very good protein for them, and it has also chlorophyll, which is so good for them. We end up with yellow yolk, and at the same time cut down the cost price of feed. It's just simple. You get some tarpaulin with water and use some fresh cow dung, and you get this wonderful ammonia. There's a mixture of ammonia, and then the Azolla comes out very green and very nice. Make sure that you put it under a shade. It needs almost like 70% no sunshine. If it is in bright sunshine, then they'll come out when they are yellowish. But when there is a half shade, it comes out when it's green. I hope you'll take care of these quails wherever you may be, and it will be very cheap when you apply this kind of cheapening feed as you go. Twali wano juzi nemulaba bwe bwali bufaanana, bwali buto, okay, nga butono, kakati bugeze. So let's get the manure, the quail manure. This is black soldier fly larvae, which is so clean, so nice. You pour it here, bring it here on top. We have a lot of green manure, organic manure in Kampala. These are banana peels, and that is the waste from, where is the Kitio? This is the waste from our quail droppings. We don't throw away anything. You know, I heard that in Israel they use water 9 times. But for us here, we use water 1 time. So we give the feed to the quails, but then the droppings, we use it to help us grow the manure. Now, these ones are now growing. You come, madam, come and do it. They are good. You throw on top. I showed you already. Where is the other one? Bring, madam. Throw it on top. Those will be now going down. Ate nawe oyagala kugirira awo bisembera awawo. Bisembera ye. Komanyi That's so beautiful. Make sure you take all of them. Those are now 1 kilo of hatched eggs of black soldier fly is what we are buying from one of the suppliers. And after like 7 days, we get 60 kilos of protein. Imagine 1 kilo giving you 60 kilos of protein of larvae, or call it maggots. And maggot is one of the best animal protein with 19 amino acids. So our quails feast on these larvae, and again we cut the price of feed. When you go out for real business, don't give every penny to those who produce feed. With this kind of trick or addition, we make sure that the costly price of raising quail eggs is low. Marvelous. You put it on top and they will burrow because they don't like light. When light goes on the body of the maggot, they burrow themselves deeper. And by going deeper, they find good feed and they grow bigger. 1 kilo becoming almost 60 kilos. What a multiplication in just like 10 days or less.